Hello, everybody. Two postcards for today. One is from a city in Germany, and the other is from a city in Italy. Those are both European countries, and one is from a city in Germany of Marlburg, and it's where Mrs. Wieringa in fifth grade, the fifth grade teacher, she lived there for a while, I think, when she was in college, and she told me that Martin Luther um, from the first Martin Luther, not Martin Luther King, but Martin Luther. He studied there, and another person who's very important in a lot of our doctrines and things is Calvin, John Calvin, and he debated Martin Luther there. So they debated about communion, she told me. And here's another interesting fact: the Brothers Grimm from the Grimm fairy tale, um, they also studied at the college there. So we got to find Germany, and it is just to the west of Poland. We colored Poland the other day. So I found Poland, and right next to it here, I can see Germany. So it, another colored in, shaded, but we'll color over it so we can see Germany. And then I'm going to put a tally in. We already had four, so it's our fifth tally laying down for Germany. Then a pretty postcard came from Italy, Sorrento, Italy, and it said, LCS first graders, this postcard comes all the way from Sorrento, Italy. It is gorgeous here and the food is amazing. One day you should all travel here. And it came from Mr. and Mrs. Fabrizius, and their kids were in first grade a long time ago. They're already, I think, in college now. But when they went to Italy, they said, "Oh, we remember that. We'll send you a postcard." So that was really nice of them. Italy is a fun one to find in Europe. People say it looks like a boot, like a high boot, and it is. It's right here. If you go south of Germany, you find Italy there. And when you color it in, kind of see like that's the top of the boot, and you can kind of see the high heel and then the toe part. And this island out here is part of Italy too. So, Italy and Germany. Italy was our sixth one today. So, color them in and we'll see what we find tomorrow. Bye bye.